So hello and welcome to this Adobe Animate tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how you can stop your animation with the code, or how you can loop your timeline a few times and then stop. So I already have some kind of animation, and I'm going to provide you this animate file in the description, and I also created this animation as a tutorial, and I can also provide that in the description. But basically I have like 6 layers. The bottom one is going to be the background, the top one is going to be this text, and then I'm going to have like 4 layers, which are these 4 presents, and they are basically jumping up and down 3 times like so. So I can go with Control Enter or Command Enter to see this in the browser, and this is the animation that I'm going to have. One little thing that I want to say is that if you are going to use my animate file and you will go with Control or Command Enter, maybe you are going to have a little issue. So in that case you will have to go to the file, to the publish settings, to this little icon, select publish destination, and you will have to choose where your folder, where your files are going to be published. But yeah, I'm going to hit cancel, and right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new layer, and on this new layer, on the first frame, I'm going to right click, I'm going to choose actions, or you can go with F9. And it is going to open me this code editor. I can zoom in and zoom out with Control or Command and mouse wheel, and very simply I can type that this dot stop, parentheses and semicolons are optional in the JavaScript, but I like to use them. And right now I can close this with these little arrows like so, and right now I am going to have this code, this little A, which stands like for the action, which is like from the action script. Now we have JavaScript, but that really doesn't matter, but it is going to be at the beginning. And if I go with Control Enter to see this in the browser, the animation, not the animation, it's going to stop this immediately. So what I need to do is I need to drag this little A and I need to put it to the end like so. And right now if I go with the Control Enter, this animation is going to play like 3 times, because I have the 3 animations on the timeline, and then it is going to stop. Just so you can see, I have this like 1 jump, second jump, and the last jump. Okay, now imagine that you would like to loop these timelines a few times and then stop. What can we do is I am going to provide you a link in the description for this website. This is like from the Adobe community, and there is like how to stop an HTML5 animation after 3 loops, and there is this code. So I am going to copy this code, Control C, and I will go to my animate, and I am going to go to my code. So I can right click, I can choose actions, or you can go with F9, and I am going to delete my code, and I am going to paste this code like so. I am not a professional with the JavaScript. I can create some very simple games, but there are like codes that I only copy and paste, and I cannot recreate that easily. And this is one of them. So this space in between, I can get rid of that. That's not important. So I am not going to be able to explain you what this exactly means. But the only important thing for now, for us right now, is this number, and this basically means how many times the timeline is going to loop. So if I'm going to put number 2, it's going to loop 2 times. If I'm going to put number 4, it's going to loop 4 times, and so on. So for now I will go with the number 2, and I am going to collapse this, and right now I should have like these 3 jumps 2 times. So I'm going to have 6 jumps, and I can go with Control Enter, Command Enter, and I will see I have 1, I have 2, I have 3. Right now my timeline is going to be looping, so 1, 2, and 3, and right now this is going to stop. So yeah, this is it, this is all. And as I said, I am going to provide you this website in the description, and I am also going to provide you my Word document in the description. In here basically I have the link for that website, I have this code, and I have also this .stop code. So yeah, this is it, this is all. Thank you very much, and goodbye.